good. Wow, smoke effect. Ah! This is fun.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
So much wind. Oh my gosh. Oh, so much juice. Oh, that was awesome.
That was great.
Yeah. Honor, you're very brave. You're very brave. This is a high octane type ride.
When the ride comes to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar. Exit to the back right corner. No running. Don't forget all your belongings. Thank you for riding the iconic Kraken.
Whew. Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. Thank you so much. Thank you.